Check out my beat.
So my name is ThinkLive. So let me run my code.
Our job is to inspire you all.
Using learning how to be a DJ is a way to bring students in to the process of learning math and science and of applying math and science in a way that makes sense to them, to give them confidence in what they're doing.
Margaret reached out to us and explained the program and the concept about infusing STEM through the turntabling and as an opportunity to engage our students in summer learning that was different than the traditional programming that we had offered in the past. And it seemed like a great opportunity to really engage our students in that hands-on learning. Our attendance rates are over 90%, which in summer school and a voluntary participation from middle school students is, one big indicator for us. Also, when I visited the classroom, students are engaged in the problem solving and are on task and collaborating with one another.
The kids and I pretty much have been experimenting with it all summer, and many of them come every single day just to, I think, get into that turntabling part of the STEM, whether it was learning about, the different aspects on how to do it, or like the mechanics behind it, or the science behind it, or how, the revolutions per minute and the friction of the mats. I think that really sparked their interest.
Observe the students as they work. When are they engaged? When are they not engaged? How are they working on the projects?
The whole class was just split into two groups, and so one group in the first half was in a normal math class, which is what I observed, where they just learned the traditional way, and then the other half of the class was in the DJ classroom, still learning the math, but just in a different, I think, more interactive way. In the traditional math class, what I saw was that lots of kids were so distracted the whole entire period because they couldn't focus. When we switched and I had the kids who were in the DJ classroom, they were very focused. I think they were more focused than the first class, and they were able to kind of take the skills that they learned, the math skills that they learned, and then apply it to other problems, other world problems.
These students, when they would have a question asked, there was no hesitancy in answering these questions. They were like, this is what it is, and I know it. And 90% of the time they were correct. And the times that they weren't correct, they were like, oh, can you explain why the answer that I gave was the wrong answer, and how can I correct it and do better?